Toddler Learning Time TV.
Deep in the jungle where the wild things play, the animals are waiting, let's learn today. From A to Z, come sing with me, an alphabet adventure, wild and free. A is for alligator snapping in the stream. B is for baboon swinging in a dream. C is for cobra slithering so fast. D is for deer running right past. Jungle fun, A to Z, come explore the trees with me. Animals hiding, look and see, sing along so wild and free. E is for elephant stomping all around. F is for frog leaping off the ground. G is for gorilla pounding on his chest. H is for hawk soaring from its nest. Jungle fun, A to Z, come explore the trees with me. Animals hiding, look and see, sing along so wild and free. I is for an iguana blending in so well. J is for jaguar running fast, can you tell? K is for kangaroo hopping left and right. L is for lemur, wide eyes so bright. M is for monkey climbing way up high. N is for nightingale singing in the sky. O is for ocelot sneaky as can be. P is for parrot squawking in a tree. Jungle fun, A to Z, come explore the trees with me. Animals hiding, look and see, sing along so wild and free. Q is for quail hopping on the ground. R is for raccoon sneaking all around. S is for snake wiggling its tail. T is for tiger stripy and pale. U is for umbrella bird flapping way up high. V is for vulture circling in the sky. W is for wildcat hiding in the shade. X is for x-ray fish, watch it wade. Y is for yak fluffy big and strong. Z is for zebra prancing all along. Now we've learned our ABCs. Jungle animals in the trees. Swing like a monkey, roar like a cat, slither like a snake, can you do that? Hop like a frog, fly like a bee,